Hello student, today I am going to discuss about closure that accept parameter. Today I am going to discuss about topic closure that accept parameter. So the closure takes an input of type string but does not return value. You can use the value passed inside the statement of the closure by placing a parameter name followed by the in keyword. So we can consider on the example. We can create an example is let demo closure, which is type of, which have a parameter string and but no return value, void, and create a closure instance, create a closure lambda and closure ignorable. So we can use print string which have a parameter of string. So suppose is name parameter in, which have the string value which store the name. So we can use our code is print what is name, this is name. So firstly closure is complete. So the closure takes an input, okay, it takes an input of type string but does not return value, does not void is empty, void return value, does not return value. You can use the value passed inside the statement placing in parameter. Statement is placing in parameter, we can use print statement. So we can call in closure demo closure, we can which have a string, we can calling the demo closure, so which have a string demo closure which have a string. Suppose this hello Swift which have a string. Demo closure create a which have a string, suppose a string. So we can run, we can print on the name hello Swift, hello developer. So we can print off hello which have a string. So this closure is closure that accept parameter. This is a closure basic syntax and which have a parameter. For thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy closure. So what is closure definition? Closure self-contained blocks of functionality that can pass around, blocks of functionality that can pass around and used in your code. So thank you for watching this video.